How's it going today, guys? Tristan Water here. In today's video, I've got a new product from Lasfit Auto LED Lighting. They shipped me some high beams for my truck. We'll be going over that, how to install them and everything. I'm not going into full detail about how to take apart your headlight and put them in and stuff. I have plenty of videos on that. Tire be popping up and how it's the same style like how you do your low beams. So tire be popping up for the install and review video. The Lasfit Auto low LED beams. So check out that video if you want to know how to take apart your headlight and put them in. But we'll get right into this review and install video on Lasfit's high beams. So as you can see, guys, it comes in this wonderful layout of a box, super clean, super nice, professional design box. So what they are is they're an LS9005N. They're a Luxon ZES flip chip. Voltage are 9 volt to 16. Watts are 90 watts set, 45 watts per bulb. The lumens, though, is where it gets crazy. They're 10,000 lumen headlights, 5,000 a piece per bulb. Color temperature is 6,000 K. Warranty is 2 years, and package includes the 2 LED lights. I already have them installed inside my high beams. I've been running around with them for about a week testing them out. And but I'll take one of them out and show you all. Before anyone comments down below, these are my high beams. I do not run these all the time. I rarely run my high beams. Unless I'm on a back road by myself, or I'm all by myself, and no one's coming towards me or anything like that. So don't comment down below saying I'm blinding people when I do not, use them very often. But they're an awesome, awesome set of headlights for that extra lighting when you need it. Of course, later on in this video, I'm going to show you the difference in the headlights. I'm going to be on a back road, and I'll show you all. Again, the GoPro does not do it justice, so I'm going to describe what I see and what the GoPro won't pick up. Especially if you run window tint and windshield tint like I do, these are a great upgrade for your truck, guys. Alright, guys, here's your headlight bulb assembly setup. Like I said, I'm not taking apart both headlights and showing them how to install them. Ty was popped up earlier in this video on how to take apart your headlights and put LED bulbs in it. I'm going to show you how you put the LED bulbs on this side, my passenger side of the high beams, but it's the same way as the driver's side. But anyways, this is the one of the LED lights they're going to send you. Of course, they're going to send you 2 for both sides of your vehicle. It comes with a control module right here, your plug-in, and then, of course, you can actually detach it right here for the light. Now, before I get into this, I want to make one thing clear that me and Lasfit have, of course, emailed back and forth. Fantastic company. If you ever have any questions, contact them. They'll get back to you ASAP. These lights originally did not fit my truck. My headlights are supposed to be a 9005, which is what these are. But I run an aftermarket headlight assembly. They're not factory. They're not stock. They're clear lens from Amazon. But they did not fit. They would go in and turn and lock like they're supposed to, but this part would wiggle around really bad. So what I had to do was get some gaskets off of my old high beams and my other set and triple them up. So you had the original clear one right there, then 2 red ones I had to triple up to make sure it locked and sealed in. So you might have to do that on your sets of LED headlights, or they may fit yours if you had the factory headlight assembly, or an aftermarket one that does fit. But I did have to modify them myself to make these fit. Now I contacted Lasfit. Like I said, I told them the issue. They said for factory they should fit, but since I have an aftermarket housing, they didn't necessarily fit, even though my low beams fit 100%. That's just the name of the beast, guys. When you modify a vehicle and you're running aftermarket parts on it, sometimes you have to modify it to make it fit. But like I said, guys, they were awesome, great feedback. We emailed back and forth for days figuring this stuff out. So they were still an awesome company work for, and I highly recommend them. But I just want to make that one thing clear before we do the install part. But other than that, guys, they're a fantastic quality in-mounted fan that you can't even hear. It's whisper quiet. I mean, these headlights they're no joke. Waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. So God forbid your thing gets busted driving down the road, they're not going to short out like some other headlights, LED lights, or other light brands or whatever. So you don't have to worry about that. But again, guys, I highly, highly, highly recommend them. So let's get straight into this install. Alright, guys, so how do you install them? Basically, just take out, disassemble your headlight assembly from your truck. Take it apart, take your headlight, put it in the slot like this, turn it till it locks, and then you're good to go. Then you can snake this behind and hook up the headlights. Let's see here. There's my high beam connection. Hook them up. It's just a clip, same thing like low beams. Just clip them in like that, and then you're good to go. So just kind of feed the wires back behind it, like that. Put your headlight assembly back in. You may take a little bit of wiggle room, but it's okay. And you should be good. So now I'm going to show you what they look like. Got low beam, high beam. Alright guys, as you can see from my GoPro video, this is my low beam and this is high beam. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but that lamp post way down there, as you see in the distance, that little yellow glowing light, it's about 750 to 1,000 feet, somewhere around there, and I can see it no problem, like it's almost like daylight out. Even through my tinted windshield, it's not that bad at all. But that's how strong and powerful these LED lights are, and they're freaking amazing. Highly recommend them. Wonderful, wonderful lights. I want to thank Lasfit Auto LED for sponsoring me, the truck, and the channel. Thank you all so much. You are an awesome sponsorship. Thank you for sending me out this product to use on my truck. I freaking love it. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about Lasfit, any of the products, the Lasfit high beams, low beams, and the amber marker / turn signal lights, please either contact me or contact Lasfit Auto LED. If I can't answer it, then I'll probably direct you all to Lasfit Auto LED. I want to thank them so much again for their sponsorship. If you like the video, guys, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.